Hi, and welcome to Sweet Treasures by Cindy. We're here at Paul and Joanne's cutting up a fossil, potentially a silicified Petoskey. It looks beautiful inside. Take a look. And we are using the tile saw with the cutting edges on the side of the blade. And the second specimen will be a mix of basalt and other elements to it, like jasper. So take a look. Stay tuned. Really beautiful to see the inside. Enjoy.
Let's see. I'm going to say it's a lot of crystal in there, though. Oh, wow.
Okay, well, let me see.
It looks almost like it's fossil, coral. See it? This is hard. This is hard. Hard rock. This is a very. It looks almost on the inside, almost like it's almost looks like Gowandotillite on the inside, but it doesn't on the outside. And there's jasper. That top coating was jasper. You can see the jasper there.